Our daily math review number 1. We're going to use this number line to drag and drop the points in their correct spot. So first of all, I know that -3 should be fairly easy. We'll start at 0 and we'll go 3 units below 0. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's -3. So there is where we can put our -3. And next, let's see, let's do -3/5. So each of these lines are 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, which equals -1. So we are going to go -3 of those 5 below 0. So -1/5, -2/5, and -3/5. Let's do +2 and 2/5. We'll go +1, +2, and then 2 of the 5 tick marks, 1 and 2/5. There's our +2 and 2/5. Let's do our +1 and 1/5. All right, so we have +1 and just 1 tick mark for a +1 and 1/5. Perfect. Now let's do -1 and 4/5. So -1, so -1, and 1, 2, 3, 4/5. And that's going to be it for where those go. Now let's place them in order from least to greatest. So when we have least to greatest, least is going to be all the way down here. So we'll have that -3, -1 and 4/5. And how you can do that fraction is -1 space 4/5, -3/5, 1 and 1/5, and 2 and 2/5. And that's going to be it from least to greatest. Great job.